Air Care Climatronic, intelligent climate control for your Volkswagen. With Air Care Climatronic, your air conditioning system becomes intelligent and can always ensure better air quality. Two-zone temperature control enables individual temperature settings for you and your front passenger. Smart Climate ensures you have warm feet while keeping a cool head. Do your fingers feel cold? Then simply select Warm Hands. Fresh Air alternatively brings you a refreshing change of air. You can also use the voice control system for all of these functions. For example, if your front passenger says, "Hello ID, I'm cold," the temperature will increase in their section only. Air Care makes sure that the air in your vehicle is pleasantly clean. An intelligent system with multiple filters keeps particulates out of your car. Allergy sufferers also benefit from an efficient active combination filter that makes sure they can breathe freely. Air Care Climatronic. Intelligent climate control for your and your passengers' well-being.
Volkswagen.